Good morning, everyone. Okay, it's not really morning. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. By the time I got to where I could actually record today, it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to do one video today, or one, you know, part to my video instead of two. So I've been doing a little bit of spinning and getting my bobbin a little bit fuller, but it's still got a ways before this bobbin is full. And it's still doing its little weird thing, but it's still spinning nice. And I do really like this fleece. It's really nice fleece. Very nice to spin. I'd love to have some more of it at some point. See, it just kind of like stops and then it just kind of wants to pull out of my hand. I don't know. And then it'll spin really nice for a while. But I kind of don't want to keep fiddling with it either and then have it not spin nice. Because I thought about trying to mess with it, but I don't want to mess up this already nicely spun bobbin. See, it like pretty much just stopped. And then it goes and pulls almost out of my hand. And then I'll cruise along for a while and it'll be totally fine. It's very, very weird. Just do not know. I do not know. But anyway, I want to thank my viewer Melanie, who happened to notice that it is in here. So I looked in the index, could not find it in here. And she actually told me what page number even. It's in here, right there. So yeah, I'll leave my paper in here since I printed it out anyway, but it's right here. And it talks about it having this really short staple length, but you guys saw it. The one I have, the staple length's about like that. So this one's pretty nice. But it says fiber prep and spinning tips. Shearing is utilitarian, staples are short, and carding is the most likely preparation method. Because shearing is not fleece-oriented, second cuts may make it difficult to produce consistent roll legs. Try mini combs if you're adept with them. Because of the short fibers, the singles will need to be thin and have enough twist to give them integrity. Although a woolen-style draft preserves elasticity, it's easier to control neps with a worsted style draft. My eyes, I swear. Knitting, crocheting, and weaving. Like strong merinos, chariolis wools make soft, general purpose, but not luxury level textiles. Elasticity and bounce depends mostly on spinning technique. Best known for unusually fine fiber for a meat breed, especially a breed not obviously developed from a merino rambouillet base, short fibers. But I will say, as far as fibers go, I am really enjoying this fiber. It's a shame that it's a meat breed. But anyway, I think I've probably doubled what I had on this bobbin yesterday at this point here. And I'm really enjoying it. I'm not like trying to rush through it or anything. I'm just, I knocked off my twist minder. I'm just really enjoying the spin. And, you know, sometimes that's like the best way to do it. And I'd be enjoying it even more if it wasn't doing the weird thing it's doing. But we are coming closer to the end of Tour De Fleece. So I need to make a few decisions. While I was in town today, I did do a little bit of spindle spinning. So I got a little bit more done on this, and I did weigh it already, and I put about 5 grams onto this. Now, for a little bit of context, I had pulled this off on the other one, and that bit right there is 3 grams. So put probably about that much more onto that. That would be 5 grams that I put onto here. And you can see the size of the spin that I'm doing. And where I'm not just sitting here constantly spinning on the spindles, this has just been on the go. And Tour De Fleece is over, I believe Sunday is what I want to say. Let me just double check though, because I would hate to say the wrong date, but I believe it is Sunday. Where's my calendar? I should have had that pulled up already. There it is. Yes. So Sunday is the last day. So I also think that instead of doing my Saturday weekly roundup video, I'm just going to do the Sunday full roundup video. But Sunday will be the last day, and I want to have this yarn all finished too. So what I think I'm going to do is I just sat here and I weighed these because these both started at 3 ounces. So I weighed them to see how much I had. And I had 2.4 ounces left in this one. And these were 3 ounces to begin with. So there's 2.4 ounces left. There's just over a half an ounce on this. That's not very much. And there's still 2.4 ounces left. And where I'm only spinning this on the go, I'm like, and when I'm at home, I'm working on the wheel. Like, that's probably not going to get finished if I don't put this on the wheel. So I weighed this one, and this one was like 2.5 ounces. So I pulled this little bit off so that I had these two at the same weight. So I'm going to finish this little bit on the Traveler and apply these two together. And then I'm going to spin these two on the wheel and ply them together. So that way these can get off and be finished before Sunday. I might even do them on my Kromsky downstairs. I can sit down by my husband, because if you've been here, you know I've mentioned the last couple of days that he's been very sick. So I might even take these downstairs tonight and just sit down by him and spin these. And I can finish this off on the spindle too. And then I can just concentrate on working on the white. And I knocked that thing off again. Where'd it go this time? Way under my chair. It'll be fine. I'll just loop it. There we go. Then I can just concentrate on working on the white as far as I get on, you know, with that. And whatever doesn't get finished before the end of Tour De Fleece will get finished after. And Once the white's all done, then I can start on my blanket. Yay! And if you are new to this, I am working on a blanket spin, and all the fibers I have been spinning are from the Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club that I have in my stash, which I buy all myself, but I absolutely love Paradise Fibers. And I needed to start spinning some of the stuff that was sitting in my stash, and I love to make blankets. So I wanted to make myself a blanket of my own hand spun. So I decided to use specifically the Paradise Fibers because I knew that they would all play nicely together. And I do have an affiliate link and a coupon code down below if you would like to get some yourself. But I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'll go downstairs tonight, sit by him, finish spinning those up, and then if I get those spun tonight, I can ply them tomorrow, and then I can finish just concentrating on spinning the white fleece and work on that through Sunday and see if maybe I can have that complete before the end of Tour De Fleece, which would be great. And then I'll have all the yarn ready for my blanket, which will be totally awesome. And I will have completed my blanket spin. Yay! So I think that's where I'm going to leave it for tonight. So this video will actually be going out a little bit earlier instead of late. It'll go a little bit earlier today, but I I have a frog in my throat or something. I do apologize. I don't want to start like clearing my throat on not on camera, but on microphone. Anyway, now I feel like I'm going to start rambling, so I should probably stop here and wrap this up. And I will promise I'll see you guys in the morning, and we'll see what I've done there and get things moving a little bit more, because hopefully I won't be having to run to town tomorrow. But we'll see. You just never know. But we do have that tropical storm that's supposed to be coming through, which we are not supposed to get. Well, most of it's supposed to break up off the coast, but we're not supposed to get the big brunt of it. We're just supposed to get some rain and wind. So hopefully that stays true. But I hope everybody else stays safe too. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. I've been loving all the comments, and thank you for all the input, and especially Melanie. Thank you for letting me know that was in the book and I totally missed it. I didn't see it in the index. It was obviously hiding somewhere. I don't know how I missed that, but we do that sometimes. So thank you for that, and everybody stay safe in the heat and the fires and the storms and everything else. So I will see you guys all back here tomorrow. Until then, see you soon. Bye.